Use video to stand out on social media. Automate your brand advertising or create your own engaging content with video ads for agents. Video ads will put your brand and your listings in front of in-market buyers and sellers on Facebook and Instagram. First, select from a variety of dynamic ad options to show off your listings. Then, choose a lead form to decide what information you want to capture. Finally, set your target area and daily budget to see your campaign performance prediction. From there on, your ads will be updated automatically as your listings come and go. And with the Homesnap app, you can shoot your own video on the fly and personalize it with animated text and filters. You can upload a new video every day with no additional cost or hassle. Homesnap will get your ads in front of the right audience, generate leads, and provide full access to reporting. Build your brand easier than ever with video ads from Homesnap. Learn more at homesnap.com/pro/video ads.